Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into something that's been on my mind a lot lately, vegan high-protein foods and the incredible benefits they bring to our lives. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Vegan? High protein? Isn't that an oxymoron? Ontitsi nandini anasom. But trust me, it's absolutely possible, and it's not just about tofu and lentils, though those are great too. Let's start with a little myth-busting. Many people believe that if you're not eating animal products, you're automatically missing out on protein. But that couldn't be further from the truth. There are so many plant-based foods packed with protein that can help you meet your dietary needs, whether you're an athlete, a casual gym-goer, or just someone trying to eat healthier. First up, let's talk about legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are not just versatile and delicious, they're also protein powerhouses. For example, a cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein, and you can throw them into soups, salads, or even make a killer lentil loaf. Chickpeas are super fun too. You can roast them for a crunchy snack or blend them into hummus. Who doesn't love a good dip, right? Next on our list are nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are fantastic sources of protein. Just a handful of almonds can give you about 6 grams of protein, and they're also full of healthy fats. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. Just 2 tablespoons pack about 4 grams of protein, plus they're loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. You can sprinkle them on your smoothie bowls or mix them into oatmeal for a nutrient boost. And let's not forget about quinoa. This grain is often touted as a superfood, and for good reason. It's one of the few plant foods that's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. A cup of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein, and it's super easy to make. Toss it into salads, use it as a base for your veggie bowls, or even enjoy it as a side dish. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more unique, let's chat about tempeh and seitan. Tempeh is fermented soybeans, and it's not only high in protein, but also packed with probiotics, which are great for gut health. Just 3 ounces of tempeh can give you around 21 grams of protein. You can marinate it, grill it, or stir-fry it. Seitan, on the other hand, is made from wheat gluten and is a meat substitute that's incredibly high in protein, about 25 grams in just 3 ounces. It has a chewy texture that makes it perfect for stir-fries or sandwiches. And here's the kicker. Incorporating these high-protein vegan foods into your diet can lead to a ton of health benefits. They can help with muscle recovery, keep you feeling full longer, and even support weight management. Plus, plant-based diets have been linked to lower risks of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. But I get it. Making the switch to a vegan lifestyle can feel overwhelming. The key is to start small. Try swapping 1 meal a week with a plant-based option. Experiment with different recipes and find what you love. You'll be surprised at how satisfying and delicious these foods can be. So, whether you're fully vegan, vegetarian, or just trying to incorporate more plant-based meals into your life, remember that high-protein options are everywhere. Embrace the variety and enjoy the journey. Let's make healthy eating fun and accessible for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you feel inspired to explore the world of vegan protein.